To fix a frozen screen in Windows 11, press and hold the Windows key on your keyboard. Then press the Control key, then the Shift key, and finally press the B key. You should hear a sound from your PC or laptop. This will restart the graphics driver. After that, check if the screen is working properly. If the issue is still there, right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. Then expand the Display Adapters section. Here you will see your graphics driver, such as NVIDIA, Intel, or AMD. Right-click on it and select Uninstall Device. Then check the option that says Attempt to remove the driver from this device and click Uninstall. Once the driver is removed, restart your PC. Windows will automatically reinstall the graphics driver after the restart. You can also try pressing and holding the power button for about 10 seconds until the PC turns off completely. Then turn it back on and see if the problem is fixed. If you recently connected any new hardware, unplug it before restarting your computer. Another option is to start your PC in safe mode and see if that helps. You can find the safe mode video link in the description. If none of these methods work, feel free to leave a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.